Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about Violet Fire and Violet Flame Reiki of Goddess Kuan Yin. Who is Goddess Kuan Yin? What is her role in our life? Goddess Kuan Yin is a goddess of healing, and her name meaning is the one who hears our cry. Meaning, if we are in pain, if we are in difficulties, so she will appear and she will help in all senses with whatever we need. Generally, she is worshipped by Tibetans and China. Some people call her Avalokiteshvara, the form, the female form of Lord Buddha. Some people call her the goddess Tara of Hinduism. Actually, goddess Tara maximum worshipped by the Tibetan people. So she is most concerned with that religion or place. Buddhism accepted Tara in 21 forms. Uh, so each form I am teaching already, but presently I am talking about Goddess Kuan Yin, the one who hears our cry. Meaning, if you are in pain, you are in sufferings, so definitely she will appear at one call. She is the master of violet flame, and so we use this system as her blessing. So before to activate the violet flame in our life or in use it, we need to understand the goddess Kuan Yin, connect with her, and after that only we can access this. So for this we have a beautiful course of violet flame Reiki, and it actually helps us to release our karmic bonds, clutters, and whatever we are suffering right now. You can heal yourself, emotional level, physical level, and financial level as well. Violet flame has power to destroy anything whatever you put into it, but I feel destroy is very negative word, so I would like to call it in this way, that it actually transform, transmute, or convert everything into positive whatever you put inside this. So goddess Kuan Yin's violet flame is a masculine energy and has power to heal us, clear negativity from our aura, mind, and life. Violet flame Reiki, it covers all areas of our life. If you want to clear your karmas, it works. But here I want to mention one thing, but I tell everyone, and generally people do not like to hear this. Any Reiki modality, because I am teaching karmic Reiki as well. So if you think that after learning karmic Reiki you will be free from all your karmas, no, it is not going to be happen. But definitely you will pass your karmas easily. Actually, we all pass easily our happy karmas, but it is actually helpful in your bad karmas time. So I suggest you to please feel free to ask questions about karma, but here I am telling you, definitely it will work to heal your negative karmas, and it will provide you a power that you will clean that karma, pass that karma, or live that karma so happily that you will never ever feel the pain with that. This system has 40 symbols, 4 levels, each level has 10 symbols, and these 40 symbols covers all kind of problems of your life. If you are feel weak, you have fever, cold, pain, everything covered into it. All parts of human beings are easily uh, can be healed by this system. We give a beautiful mantra with that course, it decree, and this decree is very powerful to heal anyone, and it actually opens our soul system inside our, as we all have a universe inside us. So it will help you to find that universe, or you can connect with that beautiful, powerful healing system. And this is here with me. After some time, I am thinking to post a beautiful meditation of violet fire. So hopes it will help you a lot to heal yourself. And if you are interested to learn, so you can connect with me. But one nature I have, which I never forget to do, a violet flame is a very helpful flame. And if you see that flame, just feel you are standing in this flame. You will feel a very, very, very light and beautiful energy around us inside you. So you can imagine, after learning this course, whatever the feeling would be. Okay, thank you very much. Ritu Kaushal here, kaushalreiki@gmail.com. Please connect with me. I love to connect with you all. Om Shanti. Jai Sai Ram. Bye.